Hi, eSparkers! I love learning the meaning of new words. While I read, I have started looking for context clues and pictures that can help me define the words I don't understand.
Tonight I am reading The Eagle That Flew to the Moon by Holly Hartman.
The first page says, they were waiting to see astronauts step onto the moon for the first time in history. I'm not sure what an astronaut is, so I will use context clues and pictures to figure it out. By reading ahead, I can see that astronauts step. I also step, so maybe an astronaut is a person. I also see that they are stepping onto the moon, which I know is in outer space. Based on my clues, I think that an astronaut is a person in space. In the picture, I see a person wearing a special suit. Since the person is on the moon, I think this person is an astronaut. We can use context clues and pictures to learn all kinds of new words. In this quest, you will determine the meaning of words using context clues and pictures in a text. Good luck on your quest, and have fun eSparking!